Once recycled, the aluminum is reformed into high-quality components, rigorously tested for precision before moving to assembly. The thickness looks consistent on the down tube. Agreed. The robotic application is flawless today.
Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, slide it in next to the blue one.
This facility represents the pinnacle of smart logistics, where human oversight optimizes the robotic ballet of distribution.
I love these new bikes.
They handle beautifully, and the city looks incredible this morning.
We should do this every weekend.
The pressure test is peaking now. Monitor the deformation at the joint.
Yields look good. It's well within tolerance for the recycled material.
This facility proves that innovation and sustainability can move forward together on an epic scale.
From these docks, recycled bicycles embark on a journey across the globe, a testament to sustainable logistics.
The throughput on the front sprocket assembly increased by 10% this quarter. Yes, the new calibration seems to be working perfectly.
We are redefining what's possible, proving that industry and nature can not only coexist, but thrive together in a sustainable future.
Try to clear this section first. Watch out! The forklift is backing up!
The automated systems here allow us to process thousands of components every hour, a crucial step towards a circular economy. The air quality metrics are well within the sustainable threshold, and our energy consumption is down by 10% this quarter.
Adjust the calibration here to improve the sorting efficiency.
Understood. The AI model predicts a 5% gain.
Forklift 3, bring that steel bundle down to staging.
Copy that. Moving now.
Make sure the handlebars are fully secured before the wrap.
Got it. This one is ready for the automated seal.